What's up, guys? Today we got an awesome thing to show you here at Vivid Racing. We're going to be dynoing a Volkswagen MK7 Golf R with some awesome parts, including the CTS Boss 500 kit, and we're going to see what type of power it puts down. So let's head over to the dyno and check it out. Wow, that was awesome. The Volkswagen sounds amazing with the CTS 500 kit. This kit comes in a range of 400 to 600 horsepower. Stock 300 horsepower. So with the 500 kit, we're talking a 200 horsepower gain. The GTX 2867 turbocharger is a machine on this car. Let's see what it does to the wheels. So at the wheels, this makes 410 all-wheel horsepower. You gotta remember, when you're dynoing a car that's all-wheel drive, you have all-wheel drive drivetrain loss. Typically, Mustang all-wheel drive dyno, 25%. So here we have 410 all-wheel horsepower, which is a lot. We've got typical boost curve coming in, high torque, high horsepower, about 4,400 RPM, and it keeps pulling all the way to 6,300 RPM where we stopped our test. Very good results. Again, we're seeing 200 horsepower to the crank, gain over stock. Very amazing. CTS really delivered with this turbo package upgrade. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed today's dyno here at Vivid Racing. This thing was amazing. It's now time to hit the street, go have some fun, see what happens. What would you do to this car if anything different? Make sure you leave a comment, subscribe, and we will see you at the next one.